Yeah, sometimes when you're using Google Map to beat traffic, you'll end up discovering parts of Nairobi you would probably never have visited otherwise. Today's journey is a bit confusing because I'm using both Google Map and Waze. I'm coming from Thika Road and heading to Karen. Waze thinks I should use Outer Ring Road and Southern Bypass, while Google Map insists that going through CBD is much faster. So I've decided to make a compromise. Google Map is giving me direction while Waze is running in the background to warn me about speed limits, speed cameras, police presence, and even where bumps are. It's like having two co-drivers who can't agree with each other. Now we found ourselves passing near Kibra, one of Africa's largest informal settlements. If you're familiar with this area, let me know exactly which estate we are driving through. One thing I enjoy about following navigation app is that they often introduce you to roads and neighborhoods you never knew existed. Sometimes you discover the great shortcuts, and other times you wonder how on earth did Google think this was the fastest route. I have a story to tell too. As we continue, we'll pass near Langata Women Prison and Langata Cemetery before finally joining Langata Road on our way to Karen. So now, I'm curious, what is the strangest places Google Map always has ever taken you? Did you save time, or did you send you on an adventure you weren't expecting? Drop your story in the comment section. I am curious to hear your stories because I have one too.